Hi again. If you're looking for a watch between 15 to 20,000, एक ऐसी वॉच जो प्रीमियम भी लगे, ऑटोमेटिक भी हो और जो कि बहुत कॉमन भी ना हो, यानी कि आपके फ्रेंड्स, आपके ऑफिस या किसी इवेंट में कॉमन ना लगे, मैं बात कर रहा हूँ आर्गोस अपोलो 3 की। मैंने इस वॉच को यूज किया है और ये कोई स्पॉन्सर्ड वीडियो नहीं है। आज की वीडियो बस एक नॉर्मल वॉच लवर वीडियो है जहाँ पे मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करूंगा वेदर यू शुड बाय आर्गोस अपोलो 3 और नॉट। लेट्स डिग इन। दिस इज द बॉक्स फॉर द वॉच। काफी प्रीमियम वुडन बॉक्स दिया गया है, यहाँ पे आर्गोस की ब्रांडिंग है। रेस्ट एवरीथिंग इफ यू सी इज वेरी मिनिमलिस्टिक एंड आई जस्ट लव द लुक एंड फील ऑफ दिस बॉक्स। लेट्स क्विकली ओपन दैट। द मोमेंट यू ओपन, आपको यहाँ पे एक वेलकम कार्ड सॉर्ट ऑफ मिलता है। दिस कार्ड इटसेल्फ इज योर वारंटी कार्ड। अगर आप देखें यहाँ पे अपोलो 3 ऑटोमेटिक, यहाँ पे आर्गोस की ब्रांडिंग एंड द लोगो इज रियली प्रीमियम on the back as well. This is lifetime warranty card. I paid little extra wherein they have given me this lifetime warranty, यानी कि lifetime तक they will help you to service your watch. The first look of this watch is really beautiful, as you can see on the screen. The watch which I bought, that's in blue dial, and with that you have a very nice bracelet जो कि सिल्वर और गोल्डन के कॉम्बिनेशन में आता है। On the back if you see, this is the lock design. It's very premium looking. Plus it's quite sturdy as well, the lock mechanism if you see. और जैसे आप ओपन करेंगे यहाँ पे भी आपको आर्गोस की ब्रांडिंग नजर आएगी। Okay, let's take the watch out and keep the box aside. First of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. If you see, the design of this watch is absolutely luxurious. बहुत ही प्रीमियम डिजाइन के साथ आती है। The watch which I ordered, if you can see clearly, it's blue dial. The color change होता है from different angle. Somewhere it is light blue और कहीं पे dark blue नजर आता है। अगर आप internal jewels की बात करें, all of these are in golden color. The top glass is sapphire rounded glass. Branding काफी subtle है, it's not too loud, and the quality of the chain itself is very premium looking. On the back, you can see the automatic mechanism. And it comes with a transparent glass back, and that gives this watch a really premium look. ये एक ऐसी वॉच है जो कि काफी लाउड भी नहीं है and at the same time it's very subtle. This is how it looks like on your hand. फिट एंड फिनिश की बात करें तो काफी स्टडी डिजाइन है। इट लुक्स वेरी सिंपल, लाइट वेट है, इट्स नॉट टू हैवी। इसका ब्रेसलेट जो है वो फ्री स्टाइल ब्रेसलेट आता है, आपके रिस्ट पे जैसे फिट बैठेगा उस हिसाब से इसको एडजस्ट करवा सकते हैं। प्लस द बेस्ट पार्ट, दे हैव वाइड रेंज ऑफ डिफरेंट चेन एंड दे आल्सो हैव वेरियस वैरायटी ऑफ बेल्ट्स एज वेल। इफ इन केस यू वांट टू कन्वर्ट दिस टू अ ड्रेस वॉच, आप वो भी कर सकते हैं। मैंने भी इनकी वेबसाइट को देखते हुए एंड द क्वालिटी व्हिच आई रिसीव्ड, I ordered another set of black color wrist watch strap, which is this strap which I ordered by their website, and this is wonderfully designed strap. If you see Argos branding here as well. The best part is that wrist watch strap it comes with a butterfly lock, which is so amazing, and the branding itself is very subtle. Again, I have ordered black and golden combinations, so it goes really well with this. If any special occasion or event is there, I can wear that with the bracelet. And in case I want to just wear it on a regular basis, maybe office or any just simple outing, you can convert that into this wrist watch. I'll quickly convert that and let me show you how it looks. So I quickly converted it for you all to see that how it looks like. The material of this strap is wonderfully made. ये किसी तरह का vegan leather है as they claim. It's really nicely stitched, and if you see, there is no cross seam or the side lines, which makes some of the strap look really odd. But this one is very suede finish leather strap, जो कि इस वॉच को बहुत ही सुंदर लुक देता है if you convert that into a dress watch. So by doing this, you can easily wear it for regular wear as well. आप offices में पहन सकते हैं, and because this watch is not that expensive, so it's quite easy for you to carry. आप अपने डेली यूज के लिए भी इसको खरीद सकते हैं, and around at a cost of 15,000 to 16,000 you can easily get it. And best part is that this one is automatic, so It will look really amazing on your wrist. For sure, give you a lot of compliment about this. At least they will ask that where you have bought it. If I talk about this strap, ये जो स्ट्रैप है easily आपको इन्हीं की वेबसाइट से मिल जाएगा, which will currently, I think I last checked, is only 2000 rupees. So 2000 में it's like a steal deal because usually you don't get such a nice strap. Normal leather और suede finish strap is very hard to find. ऐसा strap आपको मिलता नहीं है. मिलेगा भी तो आपको butterfly lock के साथ rarely मिलेगा, and even if you get it will go and be very expensive. Let's talk about the movement of this watch. The movement is really amazing. If you see, the second hand is visible here because this is automatic, so each time you wear you can map the timing with this, and if you swing it anti-clockwise it will actually make your watch start. There's no battery into it. The whole movement is really nicely made. Let me show you. Look at this. If you see here, this small heart of this watch is all time moving. So the movement is quite classy and sturdy because your automatic watch hai. Those who already own an automatic watch, they know the reason why people look forward to do that. जो watch बनाते हैं उनको घंटों लगते हैं इन सभी parts को जोड़ने के लिए. And the best part is that this is Indian made. So I'm really proud about the fact that in India as well, we're making such classy automatic watches with amazing looking mechanical parts. If you can see up close, ये बहुत ही सुंदर दिख रहा है. Plus they have given a kind of gold plate, and this moves because of the transparent back. The glass back hai, you can see literally the heart of the watch. So this is about the watch. I hope you like the video. The overall video is just to tell you the overview of this watch. Indian brand hai, so really proud of the fact that इतना easily हमें इतना अच्छा brand affordable rate में available है with automatic movement. If I let you know, second watch review of this channel, I will rate this one 8.5 out of 10 in your collection. If you wish to keep it, it will be a really nice add-on. I'm sure you will get a lot of compliment. That's all for today's video. I'll leave you with some of the quick close-up shot of this watch. और अगर watch के related आपके कोई भी question है, कोई भी query है, please use the comment box. I will make sure I will reply you with each and every detail. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. We will come back again with another watch review. So thank you so much for staying tuned. I'll see you on the next one.